On YouTube. Welcome to what's hopefully going to be the first video of several videos coming up. I'm going to be working and fixing hopefully my 87 Mazda B2000 here. It has a couple issues that we need to get worked out, but I also have my reliable daily truck over here that we're going to be taking my Toyota Tacoma. So I'm going to go pick up my other friend Brian. Yes, both of us are named Brian. And we're going to go head to the junkyard, pick up some parts, and run around town for a little bit and hopefully be back. So see you guys. There's Brian and Brian.
To Brian.
With two pieces of shit mini trucks that we're going to the junkyard to hopefully find some parts for. I mean, mine at least runs for the most part. We need to get Brian's running once the alternator gets here.
POS.
When is the alternator getting here, you said?
Around 4:30, 5 o'clock.
Today?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. I don't know if we'll get to it today, but...
I have my van pick it up.
Alright. So we'll see. Now we're just picking up some food at good old Chick-fil-A. Yes, I'm starving. Alright, we'll catch up later at the junkyard. So we made it to the junkyard. And we're trying to look at trucks, but I found two Mazdas and they're pretty rough already. They've already taken everything. I knew I should have come last time when I saw it. It had only been here 5 days, I think, when I first looked it up online. But as you can see now, the whole engine's gone. Everything on the interior is gone. But we got lucky because I found a center console for my little Mazda, which are really hard to come by from what I've seen online. Most taking the door handles for it. They broke on mine. This one looked pretty good. You can see a little crack right there, but it looks pretty good overall. So then Brian's taking the other one off right now. I'm gonna look for a couple screws for that because it was already taken off when I got here, so I'm hoping I can find all of them so that way I can take them with me. And then after this, we're gonna go look at the hard bodies. There's one here that's been 27 days, I think, so hopefully it's not all stripped out like this one. But we don't have a lot of hope, as you can see, so we'll find out. Maybe we'll walk around and see what else we can find. Maybe find a Pathfinder. There was a Pathfinder here earlier that if it's still here and if it still has the fender flares, we're gonna take those for Brian's truck for the hard body. So let's do some work now, and we'll come back. See you.
You can put all of them inside the bag?
Yeah, we can put them all to the side. Put them all to the side for now. I guess we'll just take them just in case. So we managed to get lucky and find the flares for the Pathfinder. No luck on the first hard body that we saw. There's no luck there. It's all screwed up and all the parts were taken from it. But with the exception of that flare, that's a little broken right there on the side.
We'll make it work.
All the other ones don't look too bad. If anything, stolen weakness make them work. Put them up flats maybe, like so it just doesn't look as bad or something. I don't know, we'll figure it out. But we're gonna take these things apart and then go look for the other hard bodies. Now we're waiting. So what was the last thing we talked about? I think we talked about the flares. So we got all the flares off the Pathfinder, and then we go pay.
And it came out to be almost $80 for used flares that were beat up. And
one of them was broken, so it wasn't even like a full set. The other one's a little ripped, I think. And then they wanted to charge on top for the mud flaps that were in it. So then we decided not to get them.
yeah, that's not gonna happen for $80. So I just left them.
Yeah, so we just left them. Then we ended up going to pick up another set of wheels for his hard body. Now we got them in here. So flip that. That's right there. Yeah. Pull it up. Yeah. Let's pull one out. They are pretty light, dude.
Yeah, they are.
So this is a new wheel, hopefully.
It's gonna be a clapped out hard body.
For the clapped out hard body. The only thing though, they're GM wheels, so apparently they need to be center bore out. or add a spacer or something. So we're gonna figure out, I guess, what to do with it. Then right now we're waiting on another set of wheels for my Mazda. They're supposed to be straight fit, hopefully. I need to take them home, clean them up. They're gonna be pretty dirty. So we're just waiting on that. And hopefully we'll be good to go back because we drove a bunch of this might be the guy. Yeah. So the guy's here. Yeah, so let's check them out and then we'll be back. Alright, so we just got the other set of wheels. This is you can see them. They're looking a little rough right now. But once we hit them with a little bit of shine, a little elbow grease in there, they're gonna look good, I think. We're gonna take the tires off because obviously that's way too big. They're not gonna fit on either of our trucks like that. So we're gonna take those home, clean them up, clean these ones up. Hopefully maybe hit those with a fresh coat of paint and then we'll be all ready to go. So now we just gotta make the drive back. We had to drive about an hour and a half out to come pick this ones up. But they were pretty cheap, so I guess it was worth it. And now we're just gonna clean up a little bit and head back. So we'll see you guys later. So what's up, guys? I'm finally back home. It's been a long day. Finally parked in here. I'm gonna get the wheels down, put them up somewhere. Drop off Brian already. We dropped the black wheels over there. He's gonna take care of it. Apparently we need a center board. We need to make the center board of them a little bit bigger because the Hardbody has a little bit bigger center board than the GM initially does. So we're gonna take care of that later. For right now, we're finally home. It's hot, so probably just get this down, go inside, cool off, and then hopefully we'll see you in the next video. Peace.